To mount a fluorescent strip light to a W6x9 I beam, several clamping solutions can be used. Firstly, consider a clamp-type light fixture mount. An example of this is the Cooper B-Line ZL2216 light fixture clamp. Secondly, a universal beam mounting clamp can also be utilized. A relevant product is the Trip Light TMM or universal beam mounting clamp. Thirdly, a pipe clamp with strap provides another mounting approach. An example is the rigid 11624 pipe clamp with swivel pad. When mounting, it's crucial to follow specific instructions. 1. Position the clamp around the I-beam, ensuring the light fixture mount faces downwards. 2. Tighten the clamp screws adequately to securely fasten it to the beam. 3. Attach the light fixture to the mounting bracket provided by the clamp. 4. Utilize the hardware included with the clamp to securely affix the light fixture. Remember a few additional tips for best results. Use a level to guarantee the light fixture is mounted straight. Consider employing multiple clamps to enhance stability, particularly when dealing with longer light fixtures. Prior to mounting, verify the load capacity of the chosen clamp to ensure it can adequately support the weight of the light fixture. Exercise caution when tightening the clamp screws to prevent any damage to the I-beam. The first option, the clamp-type light fixture mount, is specifically designed for attaching light fixtures to beams. These clamps often feature a screw or bolt mechanism that tightens around the beam, providing a secure hold. The light fixture then attaches to the clamp itself, usually via screws or bolts. When selecting a clamp-type mount, ensure that it is compatible with the size and shape of the I-beam you are using, as well as the weight of the light fixture. The second option, the universal beam mounting clamp, offers a more versatile solution. These clamps can typically be adjusted to fit a wider range of beam sizes and shapes. They often feature multiple mounting points, allowing you to attach the light fixture in various orientations. Universal beam mounting clamps are a good choice if you need a flexible mounting solution or if you plan to use the clamp for different light fixtures in the future. The third option, the pipe clamp with strap, provides a simple and cost-effective way to mount a fluorescent strip light to an I-beam. This method involves using a standard pipe clamp to secure a strap around the beam. The light fixture is then attached to the strap, usually with screws or bolts. Pipe clamps with straps are a good option for smaller, lighter light fixtures. However, they may not be as stable as other mounting methods, especially for larger or heavier fixtures. Regardless of the mounting method you choose, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. A correct installation can lead to the light fixture falling, which could cause damage or injury. Always double-check that the clamp is securely attached to the beam and that the light fixture is properly fastened to the clamp. When selecting a clamp, consider the following factors. Firstly, the size and shape of the I-beam. Ensure that the clamp is compatible with the dimensions of your beam. Secondly, the weight of the light fixture. Choose a clamp that is rated to support the weight of your fixture. Thirdly, the environment. If the light fixture will be exposed to moisture or other harsh conditions, select a clamp that is made from corrosion-resistant materials. Fourthly, the adjustability. If you need to be able to adjust the position of the light fixture, choose a clamp that offers adjustability features. Fifthly, the ease of installation. Select a clamp that is easy to install and remove, especially if you plan to move the light fixture frequently. When installing the clamp, be sure to follow these safety precautions. Firstly, disconnect the power to the light fixture before starting the installation. Secondly, wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from debris. Thirdly, use a ladder or scaffolding if necessary to reach the I-beam safely. Fourthly, do not over-tighten the clamp screws, as this could damage the beam or the clamp. Fifthly, double-check that the light fixture is securely attached to the clamp before reconnecting the power. By following these instructions and safety precautions, you can safely and effectively mount a fluorescent strip light to a W6x9 I beam. Always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about the installation. Ensure that all electrical connections are made in accordance with local electrical codes. Regular inspection of the mounting hardware is recommended to ensure continued safety and stability. Look for signs of corrosion, loosening, or damage, and replace any worn or faulty components immediately. If the light fixture is located in a high-traffic area, consider adding additional safety measures, such as safety cables or chains, to prevent the fixture from falling in the event of a clamp failure. When working at heights, always use appropriate fall protection equipment, such as a safety harness and lanyard. Never work alone, and always have someone nearby who can assist you in case of an emergency. Proper planning and preparation are essential for a successful and safe installation. Take the time to carefully assess the situation and choose the right mounting hardware and tools for the job. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your fluorescent strip light is securely and safely mounted to the I-beam. It is also worth noting that some I-beams may have specific coatings or treatments that could affect the performance of certain clamps. Check with the beam manufacturer or a structural engineer to determine if any special considerations are necessary. In some cases, it may be necessary to remove the coating or treatment before installing the clamp. In other cases, it may be necessary to use a clamp that is specifically designed for use with coated or treated beams. Also, when selecting a clamp, consider the aesthetic appearance. If the light fixture is located in a visible area, you may want to choose a clamp that is aesthetically pleasing and matches the overall design of the space. Some clamps are available in different colors and finishes to complement the light fixture and the surrounding environment. In addition to the clamp options discussed above, there are also a variety of other mounting methods that can be used to attach a fluorescent strip light to an I-beam. These methods include using threaded rods, angle brackets, and custom fabricated brackets. The best mounting method will depend on the specific application and the available resources. If you are unsure which mounting method is right for you, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician or a structural engineer. They can help you assess the situation and recommend the best solution for your needs. Finally, always remember to prioritize safety when working with electrical equipment. Disconnect the power before starting any work and follow all applicable safety codes and regulations. With careful planning and execution, you can safely and effectively mount a fluorescent strip light to an I-beam. Furthermore, before undertaking any electrical work, ensure you are familiar with all relevant local and national electrical codes. These codes are in place to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is always best to hire a qualified electrician. They have the training and experience necessary to perform the work safely and correctly. When working with tools, always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. This will help protect you from injury. Keep your work area clean and organized to prevent accidents. Use caution when working near water or other liquids, as these can create an electrical hazard. Never overload electrical circuit, as this can cause a fire. If you notice any signs of electrical problems, such as flickering lights, sparking outlets, or burning smells, immediately disconnect the power and call a qualified electrician. Regular maintenance of your electrical system is essential for safety. Inspect your wiring, outlets, and fixtures regularly for signs of damage or wear. Replace any damaged components promptly. Test your ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, regularly to ensure they are working properly. These devices are designed to protect you from electrical shock. Install smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in your home to provide early warning of fires and carbon monoxide leaks. Have your electrical system inspected by a qualified electrician at least every 3 to 5 years. This will help identify any potential problems before they become serious. By following these safety tips, you can help protect yourself and your family from electrical hazards. Additionally, it is essential to consider the long-term maintenance and accessibility of the light fixture after installation. Ensure that the chosen mounting method allows for easy access to the fixture for cleaning, bulb replacement, and other maintenance tasks. If the fixture is located in a hard-to-reach area, consider using a mounting system that allows for remote operation or adjustment. This can help reduce the need for frequent manual intervention and improve safety. When selecting a light fixture, consider its energy efficiency and lifespan. LED fixtures are generally more energy efficient and have a longer lifespan than fluorescent fixtures. This can save you money on your electricity bill and reduce the need for frequent bulb replacements. Also, consider the light output and color temperature of the fixture. Choose a fixture that provides adequate lighting for the intended purpose and that creates a comfortable and visually appealing environment. Before purchasing any materials or starting any work, obtain all necessary permits and approvals from your local building department. This will ensure that your project complies with all applicable codes and regulations. Keep a detailed record of all work performed, including the materials used, the installation procedures, and any inspections or approvals obtained. This documentation can be helpful for future maintenance or repairs. Finally, remember that safety is always the top priority. If you are not comfortable performing any aspect of the installation yourself, it is best to hire a qualified professional. They have the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to complete the job safely and correctly. They can also provide valuable advice and guidance on selecting the right materials and methods for your specific application. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician or structural engineer before starting any electrical or structural work. The specific requirements for mounting a fluorescent strip light on I-beam may vary depending on the local codes, the specific type of I-beam, and the weight and size of the light fixture. It is essential to carefully assess the situation and choose the appropriate mounting method and hardware for your specific needs. Also, keep in mind that the load capacity of the I-beam itself must be sufficient to support the weight of the light fixture and any additional loads that may be applied, such as wind or snow. If you are unsure about the load capacity of the beam, consult with a structural engineer. Furthermore, the electrical wiring for the light fixture must be properly installed and grounded in accordance with all applicable electrical codes. Use appropriate wiring methods, such as conduit or cable, and ensure that all connections are secure and properly insulated. If you are not familiar with electrical wiring, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to perform this work. Consider the environmental conditions in which the light fixture will be operating. If the fixture will be exposed to moisture, dust, or other harsh conditions, choose a fixture that is rated for those conditions. Use appropriate sealing and weatherproofing materials to protect the fixture from the elements. In addition to the mounting hardware, you may also need to purchase other accessories such as wire connectors, cable clamps, and junction boxes. Choose accessories that are compatible with the wiring method you are using and that meet all applicable safety standards. Take the time to carefully plan your project and gather all the necessary materials and tools before you start. This will help ensure that the installation goes smoothly and that the final result is safe and satisfactory. Also, be sure to clean up your work area after you are finished and dispose of any waste materials properly. If you have any questions or concerns about the installation, do not hesitate to ask for help from a qualified professional. They can provide valuable assistance and ensure that the job is done right.